Our location here in Glens Falls has been here for 80 years, and that speaks to the viability of the products that we make and how important they are for the customers that buy them and the clinicians that use them. I came to work at BD because I wanted to be in the medical device industry, making products that help save people's lives and make a difference in the world. We have a great sense of pride in making products that make a difference in people's lives, and knowing that you're making something that has a positive influence on someone else's life directly provides an immense sense of pride. I enjoy working here at Glens Falls. It's a community where I call my home, and to have the opportunity to have a professional career working in the medical device industry, supporting American manufacturing and devices that help people means a lot to me and all the people I think I work with. It's one of the reasons why we have such a strong commitment here.